The European Union (EU) stands as a beacon of regional collaboration and unity in a world often marked by geopolitical tensions. This article explores the foundational aspects of the European Union, tracing its origins, objectives, and the evolution of a vision that sought to foster peace, prosperity, and cooperation among European nations. 1. Post-World War II devastation, seeds of cooperation. The article begins by acknowledging the devastation of World War II, which left Europe in ruins. The shared experience of war laid the groundwork for a new vision, a vision of cooperation to prevent such devastation from happening again. 2. Schuman Declaration 1950. The birth of the European Coal and Steel Community (ECSC). Focusing on key milestones, the article explores the Schuman Declaration. In 1950, French Foreign Minister Robert Schuman proposed the creation of the ECSC, marking the first step toward integrating the coal and steel industries of 6 European nations. 3. Treaty of Rome 1957. The European Economic Community (EC) takes shape. Delving into the formalization of cooperation, the article highlights the Treaty of Rome. Signed in 1957, this treaty established the EC, aimed at creating a common market and promoting economic integration among member states. 4. Expansion and enlargement. Welcoming new members. Navigating through the years, the article explores the expansion of the EU. From the original 6 member states, the EU has grown through several rounds of enlargement, welcoming new nations into the fold and fostering a sense of European identity. 5. Single European Act 1986, strengthening cooperation. Focusing on institutional development, the article sheds light on the Single European Act. Enacted in 1986, this act aimed to establish a single market by removing barriers to trade and promoting economic cohesion among member states. 6. Maastricht Treaty 1992, the birth of the European Union. Delving into a significant transformation, the article explores the Maastricht Treaty. Signed in 1992, this treaty marked the birth of the European Union, introducing common policies in areas such as foreign affairs, security, and the introduction of the euro currency. 7. Eurozone. A common currency unites economies. Navigating through economic integration, the article sheds light on the Eurozone. The adoption of the euro as a common currency by a group of EU member states exemplifies the commitment to deeper economic cooperation and unity. 8. Expansion of competences. Advancing political integration. Focusing on political integration, the article explores the expansion of competences. Over the years, the EU has taken on new responsibilities, ranging from environmental policies to human rights, signaling a move toward a more politically integrated union. 9. Challenges and crises. Testing the resilience of the Union. Delving into contemporary challenges, the article acknowledges the hurdles faced by the EU. From economic downturns to the refugee crisis, these challenges have tested the resilience of the Union and prompted reflections on its future. 10. Conclusion. A continuing journey of unity. Concluding the narrative, the article reflects on the enduring journey of the European Union. From its humble beginnings focused on economic cooperation to the multifaceted union we see today, the EU stands as a testament to the transformative power of collaboration and unity. In essence, European Union, a foundation of unity and cooperation, aims to provide a comprehensive overview of the origins, evolution, and foundational principles that underpin the European Union. Through the lens of history and institutional development, readers can gain insights into the shared vision that has brought European nations together in pursuit of peace, stability, and prosperity.